You tell them? Yeah.
So what state are we going to, Papa?
We're going to California.
California?
Let's stay together.
California?
Why are we going to California?
So we can go to Disneyland? Yeah!
How do you know? How did you know? Go say hi to your brother. How did you know?
Because I always wanted to be there.
You got me there.
Why are we here then?
Because we're going to California.
Right now? Right now?
Yeah.
Really?
We don't go back. We go right now.
Right now?
Yeah. This is why we're going so far.
Right now? Are you joking about the store?
It's serious.
Oh my god! We're getting stuff?
We're gonna snack and keep going.
Oh,
We don't go back
you're
home.
scaring me!
Disney.
Wow! You're scaring me! Are we going to drive him?
Yeah. Look this. Come.
Why? Why? You didn't tell me.
All the suitcases and everything ready.
Yes! Yes, yes, yes!
You will leave.